Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
It's like, it's true though, you are. Do you know what I mean?
Just need a bit more, some more scores and then I'll...
Yeah, bro, you'll get them, man. You're young as well, innit? So. What about it? Well done. Everything was down.
You know, my thought was, you know, every other time I played you, you kind of got me in the first like 3-4 balls, and then I've kept trying to smash you. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know how to play you, and then I'm running out to smash you.
You've done the right thing.
It makes no sense. I was thinking about that. It makes no sense.
You've got to build the innings, innit?
Yeah, exactly. I'll start it and spin and then I'll...
Yeah, you don't want it because you will have tight muscles right now.
Take your time, bro.
Even
Take your time.
if you need a couple of minutes just to loosen up, mate, it's fine.
I'll give you some spin and then go. Sharp.
Oh, that's straight on it.
Tan, do you mind just watching this and just making sure I don't go in front of the camera? That's a big thing.
Yeah, okay then.
Yeah.
Because you're right, because when I come back to watching some of my footage, man, I'm trying to get like shot, and I want to see what you actually do so I can learn. You know, because you've got me out a few times and we never see what it looks like.
I know, right? Trying to keep it secret.
Trying to keep it secret.
Even that stumping outdoor, couldn't see, could we?
Bit slower.
I think I need to do. At the moment, I'm torn between whether it's down or back lift up. I'm going back lift up.
Just ease into it, bro. It comes here.
Well, I think I'm doing too much experimentation, but I've got to figure certain things out.
Yeah. Good.
It's coming back to you for a...
Slip that, man. Sorry, Ash. Hey! Oh, Balti.
Short Ash.
Oh, I like that tee. Got me back in the way there. I like that.
Shot. Great shot, Ash.
That's a lovely shot. That's just a lovely shot. Hey,
I've had to do so. You know, because you're that good, I can't just overstand you too good. That was good, you know. First one I was like, what?
Balti, good wheels on that.
Thank you.
Are you beating that?
Trying to use my back arm and doing that.
Oh, sorry, Ash.
That was a good bit of a googly, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know what it looks like.
Got ball straight, it's not awful. Bold. Bold. Good wheels there. Good pace.
Shot, Ash.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got to be on the wall, I think. Good wheels on. Good wheels.
Sorry about that.
No, come on. We're here to be positive. This is, look at it. You know, we're in the building products. You know they have prototypes.
Yeah.
That was one of the prototypes which you in the bin, leave in the bin, never think about it again.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh.
Fucking hell, man.
Shot. Can't give him those though, T.
Yeah, that's his shot.
It's a shot. You know your line, innit? Test match.
Yeah.
Oh. Play.
You don't know how to watch a play. I heard you, man, dear.
Yeah.
Who likes a bit of hard dick? It sounds, you can say it on the pitch without getting in trouble.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, a bit of hard dick, yeah, man. Anyway, because I got told off for swearing on Saturday for a Robbie, innit?
Oh, did you?
Yeah, 'cause I do go overboard, don't I? It's good that he gets me in line.
Yeah, Rob's a good one, man.
It's great, you know, he's real.
Shot, Ash. You're in the zone now, bro. Stay in there. Okay, is that it? Yeah, that's your bang. Alright, you're right.
Yeah, he's having that.
Yes, Luke.
I mean, yeah.
Just so I let you know, I'll be like, you know.
Okay, I'll give you a call in about, probably be about 10 minutes, no, 15 minutes, Luke.
Okay, yeah.
Respect.
I'm going to be moving some staging downstairs, so I'm going to be around for a bit.
Okay, brilliant, thank you, mate.
Alright.
Shot. No. No.
Oh, well,
Ball.
I tried to go again. Well, ball, you turned to the line, didn't you, well, ball?
That's it. I mean, that's the line. Perfect.
Shot.
Shot.
Oh, ball, man. Oh, ball, good line control, fucker. You're making me get driving, which I hate.
That's a great shot, buddy.
No, but we're all learning stuff that we don't normally do. Because
Yeah, of course.
what we do is we pin down each other's weaknesses.
Yeah. You're
That's
right.
how good we are awareness-wise. Cricket intelligence. Next one, mate. Next one, really. Yeah.
Shot. That's.
What a shot.
Fuck me.
Bit of delirious.
That takes a lot of bravery.
Oh, it's gone next.
You can't like this close. Oh, let's see. Fuck me, I need to tell you this night.
That's a fucking wild shot, that is.
It's alright, I'll find it.
No, no, just it, come on. So, it'd be a pain in the ass.
Some idea of scores.
No. You don't give up that easily. I thought that. What was that?
Oh, there it is.
Yes, that's it. You keep going.
Thank
Thank you. You're making me back. So I don't really get space that pace on normal who else goes with me.
Yeah, right.
I need you as a training partner.
It's a great shot, bro.
Ash, can you just move the net in a bit?
This one.
Yeah.
I think that's probably a 6, you know.
Probably.
I never hit a 6 in my life, bro.
I think you just guided that over.
That's like pass, that's like back in the square and point. Yeah,
You just-
probably.
next one. It was making my legs wobble, so know it's a good ball because you get it above there. I noticed when it gets above me eye line with the spinner, we call it the wobbles, me and bees do.
Yeah.
Because they do it to bees and you see them wobbling.
Just missed that. I tried to put a Yorkshire.
Good. That's it. First, hunger. Because don't forget, when we train Rico, he's going to bust our balls. He's got another pocket to train.
Yeah.
And he's coming in this year with us.
Oh, nice.
Tuesdays.
Nice.
So I need a bit more pressure in me, to be honest.
Yeah, I get that.
Oh, yeah. That's a bit of a... Oh, that was good.
Try and get the pace. Try the yoke with Hey, good pace. Good pace.
Try to move and cut.
I figured something, I tell you, I figured something out.
Ash, gonna come round?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, so take that. Oh.
Oh, ball curve.
That was too floaty.
Yeah, fine. Good, right?
Yeah. I'm trying.
Can't give him that one. Especially seeing as you plan in advance. Come on, because
Oh! Oh, ball, I've gone too early. I didn't let it pitch.
That was cross seam.
No ball, but I still... Oh, look where I finished.
Yeah.
When the other one, I still stayed in the shot.
Yeah, you're moving
The
on.
trouble is, I look to create room too much.
Yeah, that's what Hardy Pandya does as well.
I think it's my style, I'll just go with it.
Yeah, I mean, that's perfect what you do. Sharp.
And I enjoy it.
There's
And I enjoy it.
there's no point like trying to be someone else. Just be who you are as a batsman.
I'm just going to try and be better at what I do. Just
Yeah, that's
refine how I like playing.
Yeah. Did you see that?
Yeah. Because you told me the other one you were teaching me brilliantly. Oh, yeah. Making me a better player. God return to give me what actual good training partners.
Ash, come back over.
Sharp.
Good bangs. Oh! You're persistent, you are. Whoa. That's the one I need to maybe try, because I'm still weight backwards.
Yeah.
Weight needs to be in.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
It'll come, because I've driven one, but I've got to just keep going and learning how to do it.
Yeah.
What?
Shot.
The painmakers nearly felt that one as well.
Okay, now. Shot, Ash.
See, I painted there and it didn't open, did I?
Yeah, you
You're making me better, give me better pace.
Try your kick next ball.
Oh, I tried. I've got to leave them otherwise.
Yeah, you have to do that. It's a bit too wide, too.
Yeah, because I'm wasting my batting time. If I can learn to get them away, tennis, badminton's coming up.
Drop. Again, try to Yorkshire. Well played, bro. Sharp.
a bit too short, right?
Yep. Otherwise, I'm going to be able to do that.
Stop.
Not sure how I've done it, but you've out
Oh, I think that's one of the bowler.
No ball.
No.
Check the time.
Because you're coming a bit in front now, bro.
Come on.
Yeah.
No ball, man.
Shot.
Good shot, Ash.
That's just a good shot.
Yeah, that's a very good shot. Sounded great as well.
Making me better. Keep getting me nicked off, innit? Making me heightened senses. See, that's what I was trying to do with the other one, but I couldn't, there was too much net. I needed to come around inside somehow and get it around, but it's too much insanity.
Lane.
You were making me better because that one had a look about it. He had a look about it, like a dangerous look. That was good.
That's it. Yeah, very
That was
well
good,
played.
man.
That's very well
Because
played.
if you don't face it, if you don't know what it looks like you're bowling something that I'm not used to facing.
You're playing these very well.
Maybe I should go second team training and face them. Were they good?
Yeah.
Sorry, Ash.
Like, and then got some. Because I faced Rayon, he's nice to face, and he showed I got, like, we had a good, when he bowls it full, to me it's better, but when because he's got a tendency to bowl a bit short,
Yeah.
and I like short,
Ray and Noel is good because they bought the same 6 balls.
and that'll be good to face him, I
Yeah.
forgot about him. Who is?
Man, I'm loving this match. Shot.
Short.
Mad.
Ah,
I said that felt mad.
Shot.
How'd you get it back?
yeah.
Hockey?
You fished that one out.
Slow one.
Yeah, I was trying to do a cutter.
Yeah.
Next up. Keep fighting.
Ash, you know what, bro? I'll do a couple from here. Actually, I won't do that. It's too cramped for space.
It's yeah.
It's too risky.
Too tight. You're gonna threat a falling more.
Yeah. It's a bit dangerous.
Hey! Shot.
Ash, I'll give you some spin now, bro, if that's alright.
No problem, man. You've tested me loads. I'm looking forward because you can't break your best training partners, can you? That's what I think I did with Steve-O.
Oh.
We didn't realise we just was addicted.
Yeah.
Steve-O's back broke by the time the season even started.
You have to take it
We
easy.
were addicted to this. This is our like crack.
Yeah, I get exactly what you're saying.
Oh!
A Balti.
Sometimes I feel like I should be a spinner. Shot, Ash.
Too short. Shot.
That is a great cricket shot, Ash.
A bit missed time, but you making me have to close my stance is brilliant. Because I've realised there's degrees in how you bat.
Yeah. Shot. still 3 more.
That's nearly there, nearly there, nearly there.
Oh yes.
Wow, wow. Wow, wow.
Last two, the match.
Great flight.
That's what I was trying to
Good
just get.
flight.
What was that? That is on that.
It sounded like I didn't feel it, but again, I think take it.
Last
I
one.
didn't feel anything. And there's a lot of stuff hanging off this back.
Hey!
Oh, wow.
Oh, hey.
I tried to come back and then overcompensate.
Not enough more there, bro.
I'll back you that.
Fighting's so tiring.
So what a session.
6 sessions. Well done, boys.
What a session.
Power hour, we call that.
It's good.
Good, isn't it? What it is right.